Welcome to Wholesale Connections Quick Guide series. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an account on Wholesale Connection. Open Google Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, type wholesaleconnections.com and press Enter. Once the website loads, click on the Sign Up button to start creating your account. Now, let's enter your information. Choose your title. Enter your first name and last name, company details. Company name, company VAT number, if applicable. Company registration number, website URL, if available. Contact information, contact person. Name, telephone number, country, full address. Building, city, state, and postcode. Online store, provide your eBay or Amazon shop link, or type NA if you don't have one. Enter your email address, create a password, and confirm it. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Now, click the Sign Up button to complete the process. Check your email inbox. You'll receive a verification email from Wholesale Connection. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Is this guide helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.